Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is how to stay motivated while studying. As students, we all know how challenging it can be to maintain focus and enthusiasm for learning, especially when we have a couple of assignments and exam to prepare for. So, in this video, I will be sharing some practical tips and tricks that will help you stay motivated and focused throughout your study sessions. First point is set realistic goals. So it is very important to set your goals. So the first and foremost step to staying motivated while studying is to set realistic goals. Start by breaking down your study goals into smaller achievable tasks. So this will help you keep track of your progress and stay motivated to reach your goals. So guys, make sure to set specific, measurable and time-bound goals that align with your overall objectives. Point 2 is create a study plan. So it is very important to create a study plan. If you will not create a study plan, it will not be possible to focus on your study. So creating a study plan is another crucial step towards staying motivated while studying. So a study plan will help you prioritize your tasks and allocate time for each of them. So friends, ensure that your study plan includes breaks, meals and leisure time so you don't burn out. Coming to the next slide, which has point number 3, eliminate distraction or eliminate distractions. You must eliminate distractions like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. We all know we all know very well about our distractions while studying, so it is very important to eliminate distractions. So distractions are a significant hindrance to staying motivated while studying. Therefore it's crucial to identify and eliminate all potential distraction from your study environment. So what can you do? You must turn off your phone, log out of social media and find a quiet place to study. So you must ensure that distractions not need to disturb disturb you in your study plan. So coming to the next slide, that is point number 4, get enough sleep. So students, this is very important to get enough sleep. If you will not get enough sleep, you will not be able to study very well. So getting enough sleep is essential for staying motivated and focused. A good night's sleep helps your brain retain information and process it better. So friends, so make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. So getting enough sleep is essential for better learning. Coming to the next slide, that is point number 5. It says stay organized. You must stay organized while studying. Your working place should be very clear. Okay, so staying organized is key to staying motivated while studying. Keep your study area tidy and clutter free. So it is important to organize your study materials, notes and textbooks in a way that makes them easily accessible. So keep your all study materials, notes and textbooks in a way that you uh, make them easily accessible. So next slide, point number 6, use positive self talk. Students, when you are feeling yourself as demotivated, so it is very important to use positive self talk. So positive self talk is a powerful tool for staying motivated while studying. Encourage yourself with positive affirmations such as I can do this, I have got this, I can figure it out. So this will help you stay motivated and focused during your study sessions. Point number 7, last but not least. So take breaks. During your study hours, you must take breaks. You must take breaks for long hours study plan. So taking breaks is essential for staying motivated while studying. Give yourself time to recharge and refresh your mind. So take a short walk, you can meditate, or you can do some light exercise to break the monotony of staying. So it is essential to take break during your study hours. So my dear students, staying motivated while studying is a challenging task. It can be a challenging task, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's achievable. You can achieve it if you have right strategies and mindset. And remember that you should set realistic goals, create a study plan, eliminate distractions, get enough sleep, stay organized, use positive self talk, and take breaks. So, by following these tips, you will be on your way to staying motivated and achievable and achieving academic success. Okay, students. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you.